I'm going to show you how to change Hotmail Outlook desktop language to English, UK, or US. Open Outlook on your computer. Once the inbox is on screen, click File in the top left corner. That switches you to the Backstage view with account info and options down the left side. Click Options at the bottom of that left list. The Outlook Options dialog opens. Now click the Language tab on the left. You'll see two main sections here. The one we want is Office Display Language at the top because that controls the ribbon and menu text. The lower section is for authoring and proofing languages, and that is a separate thing. Under Office Display Language, you'll see a list with one or more English variants. Select English United Kingdom if you want British English menus, or English United States if you want the US version. I'll pick English United Kingdom for this example. If the variant you need is not in the list at all, you haven't installed that language pack yet, and you'll need to click Add a Language and download it first. For this machine, it's already here, so select it. Now click Set as Default on the right. The word default appears next to your selected language, and the old default gets cleared from that position. That's your confirmation it worked. Now click OK at the bottom of the dialog. Outlook shows a message that you have to restart for the language change to take effect. Click OK on that prompt. Close Outlook completely. I always right-click the Outlook icon in the system tray and choose Exit or Close, because if you just close the window, the background process keeps running and the display language won't switch. Then relaunch Outlook from the Start menu or the desktop icon. When it opens, the ribbon and menu labels are now in the English variant you picked. Your old email messages won't change language because those are the content, not the app interface. Now for the follow-up that still catches people. Open a new email and type a word that differs between UK and US, like color, with the letter U in it. If you're on English United States, Outlook underlines that word as a misspelling. That's the spelling dictionary, and it is separate from the display language. Go to the Review tab in the message window, click Language, then set Proofing Language, and choose English United Kingdom or English United States yourself. That stops spell check from fighting the way you actually write. If your menus didn't change after restart, go back to File, Options, Language, and check the right side of the display language list. The default marker has to sit next to the one you chose. If it's still on the old language, you skip Set as Default. Click it now and restart again. If this got your Outlook back to the right language, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people searching for the same thing.